Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Every day is an adventure and every day is an experience. And I think what I love about the mountains is the outdoors. And I go out and I hike in my mountains every day. And usually in the morning at 7 o'clock, and then if I get if I have some energy, I go in the afternoon. And this morning when I was out, the same two bucks were in my yard, and the interesting thing was the velvet that was on their rack was all gone, and they had blood. Both of them had blood on their antlers, and I was curious about that. So I was wondering if anybody out there knows about buck behavior. But they're really friendly towards me. They let me take pictures of them and video them and watch them. But today it was really interesting. I've never seen them like that. Both of them had blood on their antlers, and then they took off. And then this afternoon they came back, and I heard this noise up on the side of my hill. So I went out there, and these two bucks hang together too. I think they're friends. So it leads me to believe that they're not really attacking each other, that they're more practicing. But they were on the side of the mountain locking horns and kind of just I don't know if it was playful or what, but I was really curious about the blood on their antlers. I didn't think, it had to be probably defending themselves, hopefully, because I didn't think that they were that like aggressive. So yeah, if you know about buck behavior, post a comment, and I'd be curious to hear anybody's response on that. But they're beautiful animals, and I got to get a bigger lens because I can get pretty close. I could probably get within 20 feet of them and take pictures, but not when they were doing their little rack thing. I was 100 feet away, and my lens isn't that powerful, so I'm going to have to get a bigger zoom lens to do better pictures. And I'm still learning photography, so as you can tell with these videos. But anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. And here is Outlaw Woodworking, but no woodworking. This is just a video of the deer in my yard. So enjoy. If you like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Later.